Hello dears, it's Yulia Fior. Welcome to my channel. We have 5 minutes to make this elegant, fantastic, gorgeous, effortless hairstyle on a straight hair inspired by 1960s, and we'll start right away. So my hair is just straight. It can be even second day after washing, third day. It's even better, to be honest, because fresh hair will be difficult to work with. So I'm planning where will be a fake bang and separate that piece of hair, and all of other head we will tease. We need a hair spray and two kind of brushes. I have a special teasing brush. It's easier to deal with that, but you can use actually just a regular one with a red tail comb. You're doing such movements. I showing you how to do it right. And first put a little bit of a spray on a piece of the hair and then teasing. It's easier to do like that. So after most of the work done, we very easy, very gentle, starting to create our hairstyle. First of all, I'm brushing a little bit on the top to make hair smooth, and after I will do a French twist with all of other hair. My hair is pretty long at the moment, so take a look how I'm doing it and how I'm hiding the ends. If you have a shorter hair, it will be easier to do, of course, and to hide ends on the upper part, not on the side. Fixing with bobby pins, U-pins. If you need, you can use different. And after that, with the red tail comb, you actually need this comb for this hairstyle for 60s, because you always will, fixing your volume. Better to have it with you in your bag. With the hairspray, I covering everything to fix it good, and plus I'm styling my fake bang, and that's all. Ready. A little bit change outfit and I'm ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this video and will definitely try it. This is my saver when I need to very fast be ready for something special, and I have straight hair, I have like limited time, so I definitely advise you to try this hair. It's really easy, fast, and looks really gorgeous. Kind of you were spending a few hours on that. Don't forget to follow my channel, don't forget to like this video, and have an amazing day and elegant evening. Bye bye.